Hi guys, it's me, the Pecan Tan Beauty, and welcome to my channel, or as always, I welcome you back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a very exciting video for me. I am doing another unboxing, and this unboxing is of a bag that is an absolute favorite in my collection. So I am so excited to add this color. So if you saw my last reveal, my last couple of reveals, you might know what color bag this is. So let's get started. So I picked this bag up from one of the wonderful ladies in my Facebook group. So thank you so very much. You know who you are, for allowing me to add this beauty into my collection. So this is a pre-loved bag, and it was one that the seller loves but was just not in love with. So I am so happy to add it to my collection. So very nicely packaged. Very nice. Packaged very nicely. Okay. So here she is. And she is double protected in plastic and also in her dust bag. So let's see what we have. Oh, okay. Exciting. Wow. Absolutely love her. So basically, this is the Dooney Bourke Florentine leather Clayton satchel in the color Brown Tomorrow. Oh my gosh, guys, absolutely beautiful. The smell smells like this beautiful Florentine leather. She even put the tassel covers on there. Absolutely beautiful. So let's just check her out really quick. Okay, so she does have her strap. She is stuffed. Absolutely beautiful. All right, very nice and clean on the inside. Absolutely beautiful. Key keeper. The suede looks beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. She is pretty much, she's smooth, but she has a little bit of pebbling right here. Let's check out the corners. The corners look good. Absolutely beautiful. So let me share with you the bag that I am carrying today in anticipation for this bag. So let's just see, everything looks good on here. She's broken in, which I absolutely love. She still has structure. Oh my gosh, absolutely love this. The bag that I'm carrying today is my Dooney Bourke domed buckle satchel in the color Brown Tomorrow as well. So as you guys can see, I am on a Brown Tomorrow kick, but the Clayton is the last of my Brown Tomorrow collection. So I am so happy. For some reason, as I mentioned before, I was not a huge fan of the color Brown Tomorrow, but now since I have owned a couple, I am so in love with this color. So anyway guys, I just wanted to share with you my newest addition to my collection, which is my Dooney Bourke Florentine Leather Clayton Satchel in the color Brown Tomorrow. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.